Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn that how can we create custom bullet list. So we are going to learn that how can we create these types of list. Here you can see it is a list of ingredients of burger, and here the bullet is of burger, not disc or not a circle, not a square. Here the bullet is of burger, and then here is also list 1, and here are some things. Here I have written means type 2 time tomato. If you doesn't want a 2 time, you can type here anything else here, and you can see at the odd place it is tomato, at the even place it is onion, and if there will be some more li tags in this list, then this order will be continued. Then there's also list 2 here. For mango it has the bullet of mango, for banana it has the bullet of banana, and for strawberry it has the bullet of strawberry. And here it is list with gradient bullets. Here you can see the bullet is of gradient color, and the list with image means list with bulleted image. Here you can see this is an image, not any emoji or anything, it is an image. Okay, so now let's learn how can we make these types of bulleted list. So firstly let me delete all this. Okay, now what we are going to do is we will type here the coding of HTML tag, head tag, body tag and title tag as we do always. Then in title tag we will type custom bulleted list, or if you want any other title you can give, or I can only type here custom bulleted list. Okay, after that I will type here the coding of style tag, and then in body tag I will give here HTML tag with the heading ingredients of burgers. Okay, now we are going to type here the coding of fuel tag, not oil tag. Okay, now let me type here 3 li tag. I will not type the ingredients of means I will not type all the ingredients of burger. I will only type here 3, which are tomato, onion and cheese. If you want to type more li tag you can. It is not compulsory that we have to type only 3 li tags. Now after that we have to, if we want a single thing in all the li tag, means for the bullet of all the li tag we want only a single thing, then we have to type this column. I will show you. Firstly let me give here a class which will be dot means burger, not dot. Here will be dot burger. Then here we have to type here burger, then li, then marker, and now we will type here content here. Then we have to type here quotation, a single quotation, and then we have to copy and paste the emoji, or we can choose it from here. Like I will choose this one. Here are many emojis, so this is the list of burger ingredients, so I will choose here this burger. Okay, so now I have selected my bullet. Now let's see the output. You can see here this is a bullet, and if it is not a bullet I have used CSS to place it near the text. then if we have then we can select it, but it is a bullet, that's why we are not able to select it. Now okay, now let's create one more list. Here I will give some BR and paste it. Now this time I can give the title odd and even related populate list. Then let me copy this coding one more time, and here in burger I will change it OE. O means odd and E means even, so OE li. Here there will be some changes. We have to give here li, then nth, then child, like this. Then for odd place we will write here odd. Then we will have to give here marker like we do before. Now here I can give any emoji I want. Here I can give, firstly I can give an emoji of this cherries, and then let me copy this and paste it over here. Now at the even place I will give here any vegetable. I can give here this brinjal. Okay. Now let's see. Here are only 3 items, that's why if I copy and paste all this, see here, if I copy and paste it, now there are 3 li, and you can see how it is. At the odd place it is cherry, and at the even place it is brinjal. Cherry, brinjal, cherry, brinjal, cherry, brinjal. And if we copy and paste this li tag more times, then also it will continue this order. Okay, now let's create here one more list for another example. Now here I will type all different bulleted, all list with different bullets. Okay. Now the title means the class of this UL will be DB, different bullets, and this time I will give here mango first, then banana, then cherry. If we want to give here strawberry, we can give that also. Or if we can see here which fruits we have. This time I can use this peach. Okay. Now we will copy this, paste it over here. Let me give here a comment. Okay, here I will write this title. And here also. This time here the title is tag we can say here allied tag with same bullets. Now here in the place of forward we can type the number, like at 1 number there is mango and at 2 there is banana. So we have to do it like this. And now let me change the class name. Okay, here okay. Now and first place is mango, so I will paste here mango emoji. Let me clear my clipboard. Okay. Now let me see where is the mango emoji. Here it is. Then the second thing I have typed here is banana. So I will type here means paste here the banana emoji. It's here, and then there is peach. Peach is over here, and now let's see the output. You can see this is the list with all same bullets. Here the odd even bullets list, here all list with different bullets. You can see at first number I have given banana means mango emoji, then banana emoji, then peach emoji, and it comes like this. You can see. Okay, now let me copy this one more time and paste it over here. This time we will write here gradient bullets emoji, means gradient bullet list. In this gradient bullets, the one thing is that it comes in square shape. Gradient 2, and here will be 1, and this will be GB gradient bullet. Okay, and now let me copy this, and here will be gradient bullet list. Okay, now here we will give dot GB and then list style image, this one. After that we have to give here linear gradient or radial gradient, whatever you want. Then I can type here 45 degree, then the colors like deep pink and this time violet. Okay, and see here, if I will choose here maroon, then we will see the gradient. You can see here the color is maroon and here the color is violet. So this is the gradient bulleted list. Here let me choose deep pink more time. Okay, now let me copy all this one more time and paste it over here. Now this time image bullet list. This time we will use image as a bullet. and the class will be IB. And I will copy this, paste it over here, and this time image will be here. And the class is IB, not GB. Okay, now here will be list style image, but instead of this linear gradient, we have to type here URL, then single quotation, and then we can give the path of our image. So here the image is of big size. From here I can choose. Here I can choose firstly custom mouse. Here I need the see here. This time the bullet is of an icon, and I have saved it as image. And now here what I will do, I will type here after every li tag, so that there will be a little space between all them. You can see now how it is. So friends, like this you all can create custom bulleted list. So thanks for watching. Bye friends.